Hi, it's Sunday the 25th of November 2018. I'm Andy the Trend Follower and welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them: shares, property, gold, commodities and bonds. And I always start off looking at equities shares and see how they're doing, and I use a fund to get exposure to shares. You can see how well it has done. A number of weeks ago it closed below the green line, which to me was a sell signal, so I sold my holdings and I'm in cash. Now this last week it had a bit of a down move, so I'm quite happy to stay in cash in this sector. Let's look at property next, and the fund that I used to get exposed to property again did very well until it closed below the green line a few weeks ago, and it's been going up and down a bit since then. This last week it's closed a little bit further down. The week before it had dropped as well, so again I'm very happy to be staying in cash here as well. Okay, let's look at gold next. Now last week I had a signal to reinvest in gold. Gold closed up above the green line. It had been all over the place, jumping up and down, not really going anywhere, just drifting sideways, but going up and down above the green line, which for a trend follower is a complete nightmare. But anyway, I had a signal to buy, so I did reinvest in gold. I rebought gold, and this last week it's gone up a little bit further, so I'm quite happy to have done that. In fact, the trade is quite nicely in profit actually, so that's very nice. What about commodities? Now the fund that I used to get exposure to commodities fell a little bit further this past week, just a bit, so I'm glad that I'm in cash here too. You can see where I got out slightly late. Should have got out up here, but I thought commodities was going to bounce, so shows how good I am at predicting anything financial. Pretty poor really. I don't trade in and out of bonds. I just remain invested in 3 differently denominated bond funds, one in British pounds, one in euros and one in US dollars. I just hold them, I don't trade them. Here are the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes this week. Shares are on a red, so I'm staying in cash. Property is on a red, I'm in cash. Gold is a green, I'm invested here, fully invested with one sector in gold. Commodities is a red still, so I'm in cash. Bonds for me on my system are always a green. So what do I have to do this week? Nothing at all. It's very easy. I'm not a financial advisor, don't forget. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. I'm not recommending anything, and I don't make any claims about how well this strategy might perform for me or indeed for anyone else in the future. So just regard this video as entertainment. Have a great week, and I'll do another video for you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.